Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First look at the top stories.
Health Minister says Epidemic Disease Act will be invoked in the state if the swine flu pandemic continues. Urban Development Minister assures action against municipal corruption. Miki Pacheco says he will stop casinos if they don't move into deep sea. Parrikar slams urban development on corruption and malfunctioning in municipalities, says River Princess removal should be dealt with seriously. Public sector bank employees to participate in 2 days nationwide strike on Thursday and Friday. Banks to reopen straight on Monday. And Dempo sponsored K. Akhilesh targets medal at World Karate Championship in Japan.
And now the news in detail. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane has said that if the swine flu pandemic continues throughout the globe, then Goa government might invoke Epidemic Disease Act in the state. The decision has come in the wake of the death of the first swine flu victim in India, Rida Sheikh in Pune.
India's first swine flu victim from Pune, Rida Sheikh, has opened the eyes of the medical system throughout the country. Even State Health Department is monitoring the spread of this pandemic. A major tourist season is ahead in September. Goa government might invoke Epidemic Disease Act in the state, taking the huge tourist inflow into consideration. Swine flu or H1N1 virus has till now claimed 1,154 lives. In India itself, the number of swine flu patients have reached to 574. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane is closely observing and monitoring the increase of swine flu.
But yes, once the season starts and we find a lot of tourists start coming in, charters start, then perhaps I'll discuss with Chief Secretary and immediately invoke the same thing what Maharashtra has done. But Maharashtra on a day-to-day basis, there is no season there. Number of people coming in from abroad is very high. Before the season starts, that is end of September, if necessary, if things don't come under control worldwide, then definitely we will invoke it. It is mandatory for us to invoke it at that point of time when the charter starts, because people will be coming from all over the world directly into the state of Goa.
Directorate of Health and EMRI have jointly started a new service. 30 paramedic doctors will be available in various health centers of the state. This service will largely help heart patients in the emergency situations. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane and Chief Minister Digambar Kamath inaugurated this service on Wednesday. According to the Health Department, around 500 patients will be saved through this service.
Nowhere in the country there is a facility where the ambulance can go to that particular point and administer a treatment. That, similar to 911 in the United States, these advanced paramedics will be in a position to administer that treatment, so that at 7 minutes or 10 minutes or 20 minutes to get the patient back to a place and give him treatment, that we will be cutting. Once they reach there, they will immediately be in a position to administer treatment to the patient.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar with video journalist Ganesh Otkar for Prudent Media.
Urban Development Minister Joki Alemao has assured to take action against the alleged scam in Panji municipality and corruption in other municipalities. Tourism Minister Miki Pacheco said that all the casinos will be stopped if they do not go into deep sea.
Urban Development and Labour Minister Joki Alemao cited that global recession has made the functioning of Labour Department more difficult. Joki Alemao said that he will monitor the Goan origin workers working in Gulf countries. Alemao announced medical facilities to BPL families up to Rs 30,000. Labour Minister announced to extend ESIC scheme in 7 talukas and rest of the talukas after that. Miki Pacheco clearly instructed captain of ports to stop all small ships which take passengers on and off from offshore casinos. GTDC will be monitoring all water sports activity taking place on coastline. Miki directed his department to bring amendment to Tourist Trade Act so that massage parlor tour operators offshore casinos can be brought under their preview. Miki assured all the MLAs from coastal constituency and locals that he will take them into confidence to finalize check policy. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye and Paresh Parav with video journalist Yashwant Parav for Prudent Media.
Opposition leaders slammed the Urban Development Minister for not controlling the malfunctioning and corruption in Panji municipality. He also alleged corruption in other municipalities in the state. Parrikar asked government to remove River Princess on priority and expressed concern over decrease in fish catch in Goa.
पण हायकोर्टान ही ऑर्डर दिवं ना की तांकां लायसन्स दिवचें म्हणून. हायकोर्टान सांगला चॅक करात आनी बरोबर आसा सगळ्यो गोश्टी जाल्यार लायसन्स दिया. हांवें कित्याक सांगता, त्या बोटींनी 2 तरी बोटी लायसन्स आशिल्ल्यो, 2 तरी बोटी ह्यो फॉरेन वेसलां आनी आमच्या कॅसिनोच्या कायद्या प्रमाणे डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ शिपिंगाचें लायसन्स असल्या शिवाय बोटीक लायसन्सूच कॅसिनोचे दिवपाक येना. तशीच तुका सांगता रिवर प्रिन्सेस मातशें लक्ष घाल थंय. तुवें हांगा नेटान जायसू आपूण पयशे घेता बी म्हणून सांगलें. तुजें सगळें एक एडवोकेट जनरलान कोर्टान एक गोश्ट सांगली आनी परते केले. कितें ते एक निर्णय घेया, जायसूक दितल्यार जायसूक दिया, पण तो युनेनिमस निर्णय आसूनी. तो कोण सेटिंग करता म्हणून जावं. पण गेल्या 2005 ते 2009 4 वर्सां नुस्त्याची स्थिती कितें जाल्या ती खबर आहा? पर कॅपिशिया एवेलेबल यील्ड ऑफ फीश फॉर गोवन्स फ्रॉम गोवन कॅच. हांव कारवाराच्यान मेंगलोराच्यान आयिल्ल्या नुस्त्याचेर उलयना. गोंयच्या नुस्त्याचेर एवेलेबल यील्ड हॅज ड्रॉप फ्रॉम 64 किलो पर पर्सन इन गोवा टू 44 किलो पर पर्सन. हे आशिल्लें टोटल कॅच. तातूंच्यान त्या वर्सा 10,125 टन एक्सपोर्ट जालो. एके वटेन कॅच देंवता 1,07,000 आशिल्ले टन, ताजे वयल्यान 91,000 आयले पोरू आनी अंदू 88,000. बरोबर आहा? म्हणजे नुस्त्याचें धरप कमी जायत चल्लां. आसतना पणजे म्युन्सिपाल्टीचेर जर हांव उलयलो ना जाल्यार आयचो दिसूच सोंपचो ना. पणजे म्युन्सिपाल्टीन तरेतरेची प्रकरणां आहा. कितली काडूं? तुमचो टायम जाय तितलो ना, तो मर्यादीत आसा. त्यामुळे हांव म्हत्वाची हेडलायन काडटा. पयली विशय कमिटी. सगळे करप्शन पणजे म्युन्सिपाल्टी, द करप्शन इज मेनली बिकॉज द कमिटी दीस इज द ओनली म्युन्सिपाल्टी वेर कमिटी ज्यो फॉर्म केल्या तातूंत भितर फक्त रुलींग ग्रूप आसा. देर इज अ जोडी आसा थंय कॉर्पोरेटरांची. ती कॉर्पोरेटराची जोडी तांकां भानगडी कश्यो करप हाजेर जर खंयच्याय मिनिस्टराक कन्सल्टन्सी जाय जाल्यार ते दिवंक शकता, इतले पावरफूल आसात ते.
Time now for a short break. Stay tuned for more news from Assembly and the latest on the 2-day bank strike.